Oh, whoa, whoa. Did not accept so freely and well all the lies they are trying to sell. Snow streaming sideways, biting the skin. There is a white cat in the snowstorm. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Eyes flicker, still as sin. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Time slows, tracing where it's been. There's a white cat in the snowstorm, truth hiding in plain sight, just out of sight. Into the chaos, here we go. In August for trial, will the truth finally show? Words on the air, cut cold and sharp. Every voice pulling darkness apart. Bryan Kohberger faces flash by, a hush, a prowl under heavy white sky. Can you see it? Can you feel it? What do the wild winds know? Can you see it? Can you feel it? Answers thrum beneath the snow. There's a white cat in the snowstorm, truth hiding in plain sight, just out of sight. Into the chaos, here we go. In August for trial, will the truth finally show? Run free, wise. Silence been in search. White cat, come to me. There's a white cat in the snowstorm, truth hiding in plain sight, just out of sight. Into the chaos, here we go. In August for trial, will the truth finally show? He used to be a white cat in a snowstorm. Now he was the storm.